So I guess we're early. 5:55. Aiden, hey, that shouldn't even be happening though, right? We should be in denial. Hey, you should have been on this side, two of them, right? Hey, Aiden, hand in the passing lane. Box out, play to miss. Let's go. Sean and Emery, get the shooter. Both of you help out there. Good. Hey, remember, we're running Hudson. They weren't in man. Are they? All right.
Yeah, they set up in Hudson, and then they changed the call.
Jeremiah, Sean, come here. Hey, remember, start that 21 series.
Oh, yes, sir.
So let him run point. Okay, you're gonna be on this side. Okay, you're gonna run 21 cross, right? When we come over, 21. Remember that?
So I call it 21 blackjack.
Blackjack. Okay, I'll call it out. Okay, so you're just gonna pass, right, to your brother, who's probably on that side, right? And then you're gonna go. Remember that? Remember it?
Yes, sir.
All right. He missed it? Yeah. Back! Emery! You good? Hey, 21! 21! 21! Emery! Emery! Bradley, go get Jaden.
Hey, they said Boston's clear.
They
said Boston's good.
Okay. Emery, go to him.
Good hands, Aiden. Push it, Aiden. He's for shooter.
No, he's going in for shooter. So, hey, come here. So you took 4 shots, 3 or 4 from the 3. You didn't follow it. You made 1. You're not running the offense. What do you want? Is that going to be our offense? Just pass you and shoot?
Yes, sir, but they're not moving. When I was in the corner, I was sitting there looking around the court and no one's moving.
So either you pass it back up, right, and reset it. Tell them that, okay? All right.
Man. Whoever 11 is on a man-to-man is a mismatch. He's just too slow.
Hey, Bradley, go in for 8. Hold on. No! Listen to me. Don't move. Stay there. After the shot, go in for Aiden. Go now. Go. Aiden, come here. Hey, listen, on the offense, when the ball comes out there, you can't be penetrating when he's coming in. Stay out. Remember that? Stay there. Don't go in. Hey, Lori, come here. Go get. You got to have your sweat. Come on, dude. You got to have your sweats off. Let's go. This ain't the NBA. Be ready to go when I call you. Kenny, come here. Sean, come here. Oh, yeah. Hey, give it to Jeremiah. Let's go. Cut. Stop the ball. Yo, stop running against it and run up to him and stop the ball. Let's go. How much more are you going to let him come in there? Derek, go get Amory. Jaden, go get Aiden. Derek, go. Derek, cut. Boston, go get Bradley. Get over here on this side. On this side. This side. Lori, go get Kenny. Doesn't even know which side to go to.
Better passes, bro.
Dude, why are you going to this? Why didn't you go to that side when you had to that, or we had Derek on the same side you were going to?
Better passes.
Why are we just throwing it?
Hey, timeout, 30 seconds. Hey, what are we doing? What are we doing? What are we passing to? What are you seeing that you're passing to? Help us figure this one out. Huh? You guys are not cutting hard enough at all. You're not cutting at all. You're just jogging to your spots. Yes, so far, everybody's jogging. No one's playing aggressive. No one's doing their correct cuts. Okay, and then we talk about the 21 handing off. Okay, passing and then handing off or turning. Right. We're not even trying that. I want you to go to the right side. You're not doing point. He ran it. You aren't here. Right side. You understand that? So you're on the left. You're on the right. You understand what you're doing? Okay. Cobras on color. 1, 2, 3. Cobras. Derek, drop. Derek, drop. Stay there. Boston, stay down there. Derek, you're up top on D.
Lori, get in.
Lori, stay there now. Lori, move that way. Now go in. Now go in. Hurry up. Hey, get up on the ball. Jaden, you got to rotate faster.
Look at the time.
Come here. So what's up with the passing, dude? What's the matter?
They're not getting open. And when I go to,
You guys got to be cutting, passing. Okay? You understand that? It's not happening. It's not happening. You guys are playing pathetic. It's horrible. Are you down low?
Yes, sir.
On D? You're the other side? You didn't rotate fast enough on that defense.
Yes,
When he popped out, your ball went right to that guy because you didn't rotate fast enough over that spot. No, you take care of it. Okay? And you're up top. Not up top, right there by the foul line. Stay in that area there if there's a guy there. In deny, okay?
Yes, sir.
Ball shifts to there, then you're just shifting over with that guy. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Cobra's Army, Killer on 3. 1, 2, 3, Cobras. Sean, go get Jeremiah.
Shouldn't sub him. All right. What's up?
Emily, go get, when the ball starts, go, well, wait there. When the ball starts, go get there. Hey, Emery,
Hey,
did you see how Jaden just took it right into that number 11 and didn't even jump and shoot? He can't jump higher than you. Just jump straight up and shoot the dang ball.
Number 11 is on Jaden right now.
I know. I just said he should be able to dribble and drive and shoot.
If he would have exploded faster, or even honestly, he's
I
not
just
gonna,
told Emery that.
11's not going to close out fast enough. Like that one would have been a wide open jump shot.
They don't read that. I mean, how they not see that? I don't know.
I think Jaden figured it out because when he came out there, he was like clapping for it back, but they didn't get it back to him.
Emery, you gotta move! Emery, cut! Cut! Why aren't you guys cutting? When you look at the film, every one of you are passing and watching. Why aren't you passing and cutting a lane? I'm literally yelling at you for you to cut. As soon as you pass, you should be cutting.
He'll close that fast enough, and he's not going to hustle for it, right? But then if he's
and
running,
11's on you, dude.
Blow right by him, right? And your dribble penetration was just slow.
I don't know what to tell you guys. Everyone should be passing and cutting, passing and cutting, passing and cutting. That's our offense. No one is cutting.
Hey, Cobras on me. Cobras on 3. 1, 2, 3, Cobras.
Hey, Jaden's got a mismatch.
Emery, drop down, drop down, drop down, drop down. Stay there. Boston, watch your back. Watch your back. Our own player.
No, 24. He fell onto Alori. Yeah, he was like behind him and he fell. He took Alori out. And Alori was like diving for it too. It's not a bad take.
No foul. No foul.
There you go. Take that from him. Take that. Guard it.
Aiden, go get Boston. There you go. Oh. Back!
Why is Emery? Man, Emery hits the floor more than anybody.
White won.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He hit him and pushed Jaden.
I thought it was 23.
Was it? Oh, I didn't see. I just saw one of them hit Jaden.
Cut! Oh my God. Our passing is horrible. Start the offense, Sean. Let's go. Cut. Sean, get out of there. You're supposed to go through. Run it correctly. Sean, run the offense correctly. Let's go.
Hey, three. What's he calling? 3?
Alori, you went the wrong way.
Yeah. Eleven's on Aiden right now too. Aiden, don't rush it. Set your feet. Take a good shot.
Emery, stay back. Stay on the foul line. Yep.
Oh, we got hit.
There's not much